ब्रह्मनाथ ओम ओम शांति शांति शांति. Hello students, welcome to the video lecture of the chapter derivative. It is my fourth lecture, but before this I want to discuss the previous concept. Now let's discuss the previous concept. This is previous concept. What is previous concept? This is the derivative of d by ds of a to the power a to the power a to the x, suppose. So consider, we know d by ds of a to the x means a to the x into log a. So consider this as x. So this is equal to what? A to the power a to the power a to the x into log a into d by ds of the term which we consider as x, a to the power a to the x. Clear? And this is equal to what? A to the power a to the power a to the power x into ln a. Now consider this is as x, this is a and a to the x. This is equal to what? A to the power a to the x into log a into d by ds of a to the x. This is equal to what? A to the power a to the power a to the x into log a to the power a to the x into log a. This is formula for a to the x. So this is equal to a to the x into log a. Now this is equal to what? D by ds of a to the power a to the power a to the x is equal to a to the power a to the power a to the power a to the x, then a to the power x, then a to the x, log a into, so log a whole to the power 3. This is one more question. So similarly we can write d by ds of, suppose there are 4s, d by ds of a to the power a to the power a to the x. Clear? And this is equal to what? Write a to the power a to the power a to the x, then 3s a to the power a to the power x, then 2s a to the x, then a to the x. 1 2 3 4 ln a to the power 4. This is another short question. Then suppose d by ds of e to the power e to the power e to the x. This is equal to what? E to the power e to the power e to the power e to the x. 3 is, then 2 is, then single e to the x. 1 2 3 4 ln e to the power 4. Ln e to the power 4. This, what is ln e? Ln e equal to 1. So this is equal to what? E to the power e to the power e to the power e to the x, e to the power e to the power e to the x, e to the power e to the x, and this e to the x. This is your answer. Clear? Now derivative of inverse trigonometric functions. This is inverse trigonometric function and this is conditions. Suppose sin inverse x, its condition is x belongs to -1 to 1, y belongs to -pi/2 to pi/2, and cos inverse x, same, x belongs to -1 to 1 and y belongs to 0 to pi. 0 to pi. Similarly, tan inverse x, this is condition, its condition is x belongs to R, any natural number, any real number, y belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, open brackets, and this is called cot inverse x. Cot inverse x, same thing, x belongs to any real number, and y belongs to this is 0 to, y belongs to 0 to pi, This is sec inverse x. This condition is x belongs to what? Minus infinity, minus 1 union 1 comma infinity, y belongs to 0 pi minus pi by 2. So cosec inverse x is equal, x belongs same thing, minus infinity to minus 1 square bracket union square bracket 1 to infinity common bracket, y belongs to what? Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 square bracket minus 0. These are the conditions of the inverse trigonometric functions. Now, what are the formulae of derivative of inverse trigonometric functions? Okay. Now, discuss the formulae. d by dx of number one formula, d by dx of sin inverse x is equal to 1 by root over 1 minus x square, that is mod x less than 1 or minus 1 less than x less than 1. Number 2, d by dx of cos inverse x, this is equal to minus 1 divided by root over 1 minus x square mod x less than 1, or we can say minus 1 less than x less than 1. Number 3, d by ds of tan inverse x, this is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square, where x belongs to any real number. 4, d by ds of cot inverse x is equal to minus 1 by 1 plus x square, x belongs to any real number. Okay. Then 5, d by ds of sec inverse x, d by ds of sec inverse x is equal to 1 by mod x into root over x square minus 1. Here mod x greater than 1 or x less than minus 1 comma x greater than plus 1, or we can say x belongs to r minus 1 to plus 1, same thing. And this is equal to what? This is equal to d by ds of cosec inverse x is equal to minus 1 by mod x into root over x square minus 1. Mod x greater than 1 or same thing, or we can say x less than minus 1, x greater than 1, or we can say x belongs to r minus 1. These are the standard formulae of inverse trigonometric functions. Now, proof that d by ds of sin inverse x is equal to 1 by square root of 1 minus x square, x belongs to minus 1 to plus 1. Proof let y is equal to sin inverse x. Let y is equal to sin inverse x. What is condition? Here x belongs to minus 1 to plus 1 and y belongs to what? Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. This is condition. Now x is equal to what? Sin y. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Differentiate both sides with respect to y here. So dx by dy means what? Here cos y, and that implies dy by dx is equal to 1 by cos y, and 1 by cos y. Okay, here cos y means y belongs to h, y belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So cos y greater than 0. Cos y greater than 0. So dy by ds is equal to what? 1 by root over 1 minus sin square y. But what is sin square? Sin y 1 minus x square. Here x not equal to plus or minus 1. So x belongs to what? Minus 1 to 1. X belongs to minus 1 to plus 1. This is proof of sin inverse x. Okay. Now proof of cos inverse x is similar to this. Prove that d by ds of cos inverse x is equal to minus 1 by root over 1 minus x square. X belongs to minus 1 to plus 1. Proof let y is equal to cos inverse x. Y is equal to cos inverse x, where x belongs to what? Minus 1 to plus 1, and y belongs to what? 0 to pi. So x is equal to what? X is equal to cos y. X is equal to cos y. Differentiate with respect to y. Differentiate with respect to y. So dx by dy is equal to minus sin y, or dx by dy equal to dy by dx is equal to what? Or that implies dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by sin y. Here h y belongs to 0 to pi. So cos y, so sin y, so sin y greater than 0. Okay, that is equal to dy by dx is equal to 1 minus 1 by sin y means root over 1 minus cos square y. This is equal to what? This is equal to minus 1 by root over 1 minus cos y means what? X, 1 minus x square. So here x not equal to plus or minus 1. That is, so x belongs to minus 1 to 1. This is another proof. Now another derivative of tan inverse x. Third, d by dx of prove that d by ds of tan inverse x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. X belongs to x belongs to any real number. Proof. Let y is equal to tan inverse x. Okay, x belongs to here, x belongs to R and y belongs to minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2, minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. That implies x is equal to what? Tan y. Differentiate both sides with respect to y. So dx by dy is equal to what? D by ds of tan y. This is equal to derivative of tan y means sec square y. Sec square y. So that implies dy by ds is equal to 1 by sec square y. Here sec square y not equal to 0. Here sec square h y belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Then x belongs to what? Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, since it is square form. Okay. As y belongs to minus pi by 2, then dy by dx is equal to what? 1 by root of 1 by 1 plus tan square y. 1 plus tan square y. Tan square y. That is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. This cannot be 0 for all x. For all x belongs to R, because it cannot be 0. Okay. Then proof of derivative of cot inverse x. Prove that d by ds of cot inverse x is equal to minus 1 by 1 plus x square for x belongs to any real number. Proof. Let y is equal to cot inverse x. Okay, and x belongs to what? X belongs to, this is R, and y belongs to 0 to pi. Y belongs to 0 to pi. 0 to pi. Then x is equal to what? Cot y. Differentiate both sides with respect to y. Difference with respect to y. So dx by dy is equal to what? Derivative coefficient minus cosec square y, and dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by cosec square y. This is equal to what? Minus 1 by 1 plus cot square y. What is cot y? This is x, minus 1 by 1 plus x square. This cannot be negative or 0. This is always positive, or this cannot be 0, because 1 plus x square is never 0. So for all x belongs to R. For all x belongs to R. Now another proof, derivative of sec inverse x. Prove that derivative of sec inverse x is equal to 1 by mod x into root over 1 minus x. Proof. Let y is equal to sec inverse x, where mod x is greater than equal to a 1, and y belongs to what? Y belongs to 0 comma pi, 0 comma pi minus what? Pi by 2, minus pi by 2. So this is equal to what? This is equal to what? This is equal to x is equal to sec y. Differentiate with respect to y. So this is equal to, we can write here all, or we can write here for ag, this is equal to y is equal to what? Cos inverse 1 by x. Okay, and this is equal to cos inverse 1 by x and 1 by x. Let y equal to sec inverse x mod x greater than equal to 1. Y belongs to 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi minus pi by 2. Or this can be written as what? Y is equal to cos inverse 1 by x. Okay, differentiate both sides with respect to x. This is equal to what? Dy by dx is equal to d by ds of cos inverse 1 by x. We know cos inverse, derivative of cos inverse minus 1 by root over 1 minus 1 by x whole square into d by ds of 1 by x. So this is equal to minus 1 by root over 1 minus 1 by x square into derivative of 1 by x. What is derivative of 1 by d by ds of 1 by x? This is equal to what? This is equal to minus 1 by x square. So derivative of 1 by x is equal to what? Minus 1 by x square. So simplify minus minus plus. This is equal to what? Root over x square minus 1 divided by x square into x square. Okay, and this is equal to x square root over means x by root over x square minus 1 into 1 by x square. Clear? And this is equal to what? Here this is what? Root over x square. So root over x square goes upward, and this is equal to, we can write root over x square means mod x divided by root over x square minus 1, and this is also written as x square means mod x whole square. So this goes cancel, that is 1 by mod x into root over x square minus 1, mod x into root over x square minus 1, and its value not equal to 0, not negative. So mod x greater than 1. If x is equal, mod x equal to 1, this is 0. So mod x greater than 1. Similarly, the last proof, derivative of cosec inverse x. Similarly, prove that, proof 6 number proof that d by dx of cosec inverse x is equal to minus 1 by mod x root over x square minus 1 mod x greater than 1. Okay, now proof let y is equal to cosec inverse x belongs to here, x belongs to minus infinity minus 1 union 1 to infinity, that is mod x greater than equal to 1, and y belongs to what? y belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 comma 0. Okay, now this is y is equal to, we know sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x is equal to pi by 2. So cosec inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus sec inverse x. So here write pi by 2 minus sec inverse x. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. So dy by ds is equal to derivative of pi by 2 constant 0 minus d by ds of sec inverse x. This is equal to what? dy by ds is equal to, this is minus 1 by mod x into root over x square minus 1, condition mod x greater than 1. If this is equal to 1, then denominator equal to 0, so the term is undefined, that's why greater than 1. Okay, chain rule for derivative of inverse trigonometric function. Suppose d by ds of sin inverse f of x. So this is equal to what? 1 by root of 1 minus f of x whole square into d by ds of f of x. Similarly, d by ds of cos inverse f of x is equal to minus 1 by here f of x lies between what? Minus 1 to plus 1. This is equal to minus 1 by root over 1 minus f of x whole square into d by ds of f of x. Here f of x lies between minus 1 to 1. Similarly, d by ds of tan inverse f of x. So this is equal to 1 by 1 plus f of x whole square into d by ds of f of x. Okay, then this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3 and 4. d by ds of cot inverse f of x is equal to 1 by 1 plus f of x whole square into d by ds of f of x. Clear? And for 5 number 5 d by ds of sec inverse f of x. This is equal to 1 by f of x mod root over f of x whole square minus 1, and condition is mod of f of x greater than 1. Similarly, 6 d by ds of cosec inverse f of x. So this is equal to what? This is equal to minus 1 by mod of f of x into root over f of x whole square minus 1 into here d by ds of f of x. Okay, so here also d by ds of f of x, and this is equal to what? F of x more greater than 1. Okay, now some problems related to inverse trigonometric functions derivative. Find dy by dx if y is equal to sin inverse x by x plus 1. Simple. So solution is y is equal to sin inverse x by x plus 1. So dy by dx is equal to what? d by ds of sin inverse x by x plus 1. So consider this as x. What is derivative of sin inverse x? The d by ds of sin inverse x is equal to 1 by root over 1 minus x square. Apply this. 1 by root over 1 minus x by x plus 1 whole square into d by ds of x by x plus 1. So this is equal to 1 by root over this is x plus 1 whole square minus x square divided by what? Divided by x plus 1 whole square. Divided by x plus 1 whole square. This is v du. X plus 1 into derivative of x minus x into d by ds of x plus 1 by v square. This is x plus 1 whole square. Clear? And this is equal to what? X plus 1 whole square root over means x plus 1 into divided by x square. This is a square minus b square. X plus 1 plus x into x plus 1 minus x. This is equal to what? X plus 1 ds by ds1 minus x into ds by ds1 divided by x plus 1 whole square. So x plus 1 x plus 1 whole square here. So this is equal to what? Plus x minus x cancel. So 1 by this is plus x minus x cancel, root over 2x plus 1. Now check it. This comes whole square root over, so x plus 1, and this is a plus b and minus b. Okay, so x plus 1 minus x, so goes cancel. This is into here. What is here? X plus 1. Now another question. Now find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. If y is equal to cos inverse x square minus 1. If y equal to cos inverse x square minus 1. Okay, so this is equal to what? Solution y is equal to cos inverse x square minus 1. dy by ds is equal to d by ds of cos inverse x square minus 1. So consider this is x. So formula minus 1 by root over 1 minus x square, means x square minus 1 whole square, x square minus 1 whole square into d by ds of x square minus 1. So this is equal to what? Minus 1 by, this is a square minus b square. Okay, this is 1 square, suppose, root over 1 plus x minus 1 into 1 minus x plus 1. This is into 2x, derivative of x. So minus 2x by root over plus 1 minus 1 cos cancel, root x into 2 minus x. This is answer. Similarly, another question. d by ds of find dy by dx. If y equal to tan inverse SQ plus 1. Tan inverse SQ plus 1. Solution y is equal to tan inverse SQ plus 1. So dy by dx is equal to d by ds of tan inverse SQ plus 1. This is equal to what? Derivative of tan inverse x. So d by ds of tan inverse x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. So apply this formula. This is equal to 1 by 1 plus SQ plus 1 whole square into d by ds of SQ plus 1. So this is equal to 1 by 1 plus SQ whole square into derivative of xq means 3x square. So 3x square by 1 plus SQ plus 1 whole square. This is answer. Okay. And another question is, suppose d by ds of sec inverse x. Find dy by dx. Find dy by dx if y is equal to sec inverse 1 by root over 1 minus x. Root over x, suppose 1 plus x. Root over 1 plus x. Suppose this is x by, okay, x by root over 1 plus x. The question is, suppose y equal to 2x plus 5. Simple question, suppose. So dy by dx. So solution is y is equal to sec inverse 2x plus 5 and dy by ds is equal to d by ds of sec inverse 2x plus 5. We know d by ds of sec inverse x is equal to 1 by mod x into root over x square minus 1. So this is equal to d by ds of sec inverse x. This is considered as x, 2x plus 5 considered as x. So 1 by 2x plus 5 this mode root over 2x plus 5 whole square minus 1 into d by ds of 2x plus 5. This is equal to 1 by 2x plus 5, 1 by 2x plus 5 root over 2x plus 5 whole square minus 1 into derivative of 2x plus 5, 2. So 2 by 2x plus 5 mode, this is mode root over 2x plus 5 whole square minus 1. This is your answer. Okay. Now some other questions. Question, find dy by ds. Find dy by dx. If y is equal to cos inverse root over 1 plus x by 2. So this is equal to what? dy by ds is equal to d by ds of cos inverse root over 1 plus x by 2. Consider this is x. So minus 1 by root over 1 minus x square means root over 1 plus x by 2 whole square into d by ds of this is root over 1 plus x by 2. And this is equal to what? Minus 1 by root over 1 minus 1 plus x by 2, and this is chain rule, derivative of root x form. So 1 by this is equal to what? 1 by 2 into root over 1 plus x by 2 into derivative of d by ds of 1 plus x by 2. Okay. So what is your answer? This is equal to minus 1 by root over 2 minus 1 minus x by 2 and into 1 by 2 into root over 1 plus x by 2, and this is 1 plus x by 2 means 1 by 2. So this is equal to what? And this is equal to minus 1 by 2 minus 1, 1, 2 minus 1, 1, 1 minus x by root 2, by root 2, 1 by 2 into root over 1 plus x by this is root 2, okay, and this is root 2, and this is 1 by 2. So root 2, this goes cancel, minus 1 by 2 into root over 1 minus x square. Now this is y equal to cos inverse root over 1 plus x by 2, and this is equal to what? Minus 1 by root over 1 minus x means this 1 minus this square into d by ds of 1 plus x by 2. This is equal to 1 by this is 1 minus whole square root over cancel, so 1 plus x by 2 into 1 by 2 into root over this is root x formula, derivative of root x, 1 by 2 root x into d by ds of 1 plus x by 2. So minus 1 by 2 minus 1 minus x by 2, this is equal to 1 by 2 into root over 1 plus x by 2, and this is 1 by 2. So this is equal to root 2 and this is equal to root 2. Here 2 cancel, this is half, and minus 1 by 2 into root over 1 minus x square is final answer. Now another question. Find dy by ds if y equal to x square into cosec 1 by ln x. So this is equal to what? So y equal to solution we can write y is equal to x square into sin inverse 1 by cosec inverse 1 by ln x means sin inverse ln x. dy by dx is equal to what? d by ds of x square into sin inverse ln x. So apply u into v formula. v du sin inverse ln x into d by ds of x square plus x square into d by ds of sin inverse ln x. So this is equal to what? Sin inverse ln x into 2x plus x square into sin inverse x formula 1 by root over 1 minus ln x into d by ds of ln x. Okay, this is equal to, we can write 2x into sin inverse ln x plus x square by root over 1 minus ln x whole square, this is whole square, ln x whole square into derivative of log x 1 by x. So this cancel. So remaining here is equal to what? 2x sin inverse ln x, sin inverse ln x, this is log x, plus x by root over 1 minus ln x whole square. Clear? This is your answer. And another question. So y is equal to tan inverse of cos root x. So solution is y is equal to tan inverse cos root x. This is equal to dy by ds is equal to d by ds of tan inverse cos root x. So apply the chain rule. Consider this is x. So 1 by 1 plus cos root x whole square into d by ds of cos root x. So this is equal to what? 1 by 1 plus cos square root x into derivative of this, consider x, derivative of cos x means sin x, sin root x into d by ds of root x. So this is equal to minus sin root x by 1 plus cos square root x into derivative of root x means 1 by 2 root x. This is answer. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.